If videos on X, Twitter keep stopping or showing a playback error, especially on Android, here are some fixes you can try to solve this problem. Now, we aren't particularly facing this issue, but the fixes will save your time. So first of all, make sure the internet is fast and functional on your device. It might be Wi-Fi or cellular data, doesn't matter, whatever you are using. If that's not the issue, just go ahead, force quit the app along with all the other windows and then relaunch it. Now, if that didn't help, let's go to your X menu and then scroll down, and from settings and support, go to settings and privacy, then to accessibility, display and languages, to data usage, and make sure data saver is turned off. Now, while you're here, you can also check if high quality video is set to mobile data and Wi-Fi both. And also for now, you can set video autoplay to mobile data and Wi-Fi if it's turned off. Now, after that, let's get out of here. And especially if you're using an Android device, you can clear the app cache and cookies. Just enter settings, scroll down for apps. Now, this interface is more or less same on all the Android, so don't worry about that. And after that, in this app list, just search for X. Then go to storage. And from here, simply clear cache and then clear data. And along with that, make sure there is no pending app update on your device. And lastly, after changing all the settings, just give your device a simple restart. Sometimes this happens for minor software glitch, and a restart might solve it. And hopefully, you are able to see all the videos without any error whatsoever. Thanks for your time.